Hello everyone, you're welcome back to NG Styles Kitchen Recipes. So today I'll be showing you how I make African yam pottage without palm oil. So in this pot I have my meat stock ready. So in the meat stock I'll be adding the peeled washed yam cubes. You can cut your yam in any shape of your choice. I love to cut mine in cubes like so, and make sure you do not add too much water. Make sure the water is of the same level with the yam, as you can see in this pot. So next I'll be going in with some diced fresh tomatoes, some diced onion, crushed red pepper, paprika powder, ginger powder, garlic powder, all-purpose seasoning, turmeric powder, some basil, is optional, you don't have to if you don't want to, some parsley leaves, dried. Every ingredient is optional. You don't have to use all the ingredients I use here if you don't like it. But when you add it and use it, come back and tell me how your food tastes. It brings out the flavor and the taste of your dish. Trust me. Okay, after that I'm going to go ahead and mix it for every ingredient to combine, then cover it and allow it to cook. So after about 20 minutes, as you can see, the yam is well cooked. So I'm going to go in with some ground crayfish. Yeah. Then I will stir it to mix, for every ingredient there and the crayfish to mix properly. Then next I'm going to add some seasoning cube. Before I added this seasoning cube, I have to test the food and make sure there is no much salt in it, because the meat stock contains some salt, and I added some all-purpose seasoning also. So I tested it to make sure it's not too salty before adding the seasoning cube. Then next I'm going to go in with the vegetables. I am using kale here. You can use any vegetable you have at hand or any vegetable of your choice. Okay, there is no rules to this is what you must use in your cooking. No, just give your cooking a little twist. That's it. So I'm going to go ahead and cover it and let it cook for about 3 to 5 minutes. So after about 3 minutes, the vegetable have come down as you can see. So I'm gonna go ahead and fold it. Just fold it. I don't want the yam to break too much. I want to still I love my pottage to get the piece of yam. Yeah. So fold it until everything is well combined. Then I tested again, and it's lacking a little bit salt, so I have to add a 1/4 teaspoon of pink Himalaya salt to it, and then mix again. Then after that, this food is ready. Very easy and simple to make. You see, there is no palm oil. We did not use palm oil or any sort of oil in this dish, and you can see it's looking appetizing and it tastes very delicious. So I served it with some chicken, oven grilled chicken. That's what by the side there. So I just packaged this is for tomorrow's lunch at work. So I'm gonna go ahead and just sprinkle some sriracha sauce on the chicken and on top of the food. It's just by choice. You don't have to do this. This is how I love to eat mine. yam pottage. So that will be it. Thank you guys for watching, and I will see you in my next one. Bye bye.